Welcome to Level 1 Beginner Street Motorcycle Exercises. There are 5 exercises in this video. The first is to be able to shift your motorcycle while looking down the road. The second is called the cone weave. The third is the 40-foot circle. The fourth is the parking space weave. And the last is the quick stop. Each one of these exercises will help you develop your motorcycle riding skills and make you feel more confident when riding your motorcycle. Exercise 1. Shift your motorcycle while looking down the road. This exercise you want to practice every time you ride. This is a dance between your left hand clutch, your left foot gear shift, and your right hand throttle. You will want to pull in the clutch lever, shift up to the next gear while easing off the throttle, and once shifted back on the throttle, you will shift all the way up to the highest gear. You can see all this in action here. Be sure to keep your eyes looking down the road. In time, this exercise will become smoother and automatic. Downshifting is slightly more involved in a dance between your left hand clutch and your left foot gear shift. Your right hand throttle is not as active. You will want to pull in the clutch lever with your left hand, shift down one gear with your left foot, then release the clutch. Slow down some, then downshift the same way to the next lower gear. You will also need to apply the front brake with your right hand and rear brake with your right foot to slow down to the proper speed to stop or turn. Second gear is good for pulling into a gas station, and first gear is good for riding around a gas station. We're out here at a remote parking space to do some of the exercises today. I've marked 3 of the exercises: the cone weave, the 40-foot circle, and the quick stop. Mark those so I can put cones there. And I've got a couple of different kind of cones. These are good. I used to use these. I've got these now. They're a little bit easier to see, and the wind doesn't blow them very much. I got 12 cones. It's good to have those. When marking the spaces, I'm using a tape measure, some chalk just to get it started. Once I have the circle on every place to mark, I use this. This is my little secret right here. I use some fingernail polish on all those little dots, so when I come out here next week or tomorrow or whenever, I'll already have the dots placed and I won't have to break out the tape measure. So let's get started on the cone weave. This is the cone weave. I have 12 cones. They're separated by 15 feet apart and they're 3 feet wide. One thing when doing this is you want to stay in the friction zone with your clutch. Here we go, all 12. The friction zone's right here. See right in there? Little power just makes it go a little more. You pull it in, it slows it down. You can also use your rear brake a little bit to slow you down and to straighten your bike up. I'm going to try it again. Keep your clutch in the friction zone. Turn your head in the direction that you want to go. Don't go too slow. If you slow down too much, you may turn over, and if you do, just do a foot stomp and get your foot down there to keep you from leaning too much. If you have 4 or 5 cones, that's not enough. You need at least 10. I'm using 12 this time. This is the 40-foot circle. Again, you want to keep your clutch in the friction zone and turn your head and look in the direction that you want to go. You almost look all the way across the other side of the 40-foot circle. You want to do a clockwise rotation, 3 rotations, and then a counterclockwise rotation. This is the parking space weave. You will weave down each lane of the parking spaces, skipping 1 parking space. Be sure to use the friction zone with the clutch. Turn your head to help your motorcycle turn. As you go down the lane, turn your head in anticipation of the turn, then turn in the direction that your head is turned. Now for the quick stop, we want to get the motorcycle in 2nd gear up to 20 miles per hour, and then stop and get it back into 1st. And be ready to roll. Let's do it again. 2nd gear, 20 miles per hour. Down to 1st, stop, be ready to roll. Stop before the 25-foot mark. Well, that is level 1 beginner motorcycle practice. It will get your muscle memory working really good. It might not be easy the first time you do it, and you may not be able to accomplish each one of the exercises on your first try. It may take 5 or 6 tries or different days to try it. You'll find each day that you come out that you'll be a little bit better every time. And once you master all of these exercises, then you can move on to level 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And ring that bell so that you'll get a notification on the next video that comes out from Street Moto Z.